This is the elevator at the SouthSide Works Building 2 South Lobby. And SouthSide Works, SouthSide, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The Schindler 330A with HT van resistant. Go to 3. Cabinet's kind of weird. Ooh, very loud. Floor 3, I'm not sure if there's anyone in here, but this is a very loud elevator. Here's the 3rd floor. You can see the furnace garage over there. They also have Schindler 330As. Go back down to 1. Padded elevator. It's a basic cab anyway. So very interesting. ADA phone. This thing's obviously used as a service elevator. Has a certificate, Newer Pennsylvania certificate. Carpeted floors, a hospital-sized cab. This is just like the other elevator I filmed, and I believe it was Building 2 North Lobby elevator, whatever. I don't remember, but except that one was a bit nicer than this one. This one is very noisy. This is elevator 3. Now I believe the other one's elevator 2. There's the alarm bell indicator. There it goes, and that's it.